Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best Mavic Air 2 car charger you can buy right now. The HKY 38W DC car charger, fully compatible with DJI Mavic Air 2 and DJI Air 2's intelligent flight batteries. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and travel-friendly charging solution, stick around. We're going to explore everything this little powerhouse has to offer. Let's start with what sets this charger apart. This is a purpose-built replacement for DJI's own car charger, and it's Amazon's choice for a reason. With model number CP MA.000000251.01, it's engineered specifically for Mavic Air 2 and Air 2's intelligent flight batteries. And it even supports the DJI Mavic Air 2 battery charging hub. That makes it super convenient whether you're charging a single battery or several during your trip. Now here's where things get interesting. The HKY charger features a unique 2-in-1 design. That means it can intelligently detect and support two battery voltage types, 13.2 volts and 12.6 volts. In plain terms, you can charge two different types of batteries at once, and the charger will automatically match the correct voltage. Dual charging ports allow for simultaneous charging, dramatically cutting down the time you need to get back in the air. If you're in the field and need speed and efficiency, this feature is a game changer. Let's talk specs. The input voltage range is incredibly versatile, 12 to 24 volts, and it supports a maximum of 9 to 32 volts. This means it's not just limited to your standard car. You can use it in trucks, RVs, trailers, SUVs, ATVs, boats, motorcycles, even portable power stations. Whether you're a filmmaker deep in the mountains or a traveler road tripping across the country, this thing adapts to your power setup. On the output side, you're getting 37 to 38 watts, more than enough for efficient, high-speed charging. Despite all this power, the charger is remarkably compact. It's about the size of a phone charger, making it super easy to toss in your backpack or drone kit. Lightweight and portable, this design helps you travel light without sacrificing power or safety. Speaking of safety, HKY didn't cut any corners here. The charger is built using industrial-grade materials and follows strict safety standards. It includes inner shield technology that protects your drone batteries from overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, and short circuits. The outer casing is both shockproof and flame retardant, providing top-tier safety while you're on the road or out in nature. With a charging efficiency of up to 96%, you're not just saving time, you're also saving energy and reducing heat, which helps prolong battery life. The package includes everything you need. The car charger with a built-in UL1185 power cable that's over 8.5 feet long. So whether you're a hobbyist, a professional drone pilot, or someone who just loves the freedom of flying, the HKY 38W car charger is a smart addition to your gear. Fast, efficient, durable, and travel-ready. It truly earns the title of the best Mavic Air 2 car charger on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Fly smart, charge fast, and we'll see you in the next video.